Hello, hello, hello. My name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. and if you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the content. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Today we're going to talk about a type of cyber attack called brute force attack. You got it. Yes, we are cracking folks' passwords today. Let's get into it. We going dark. So what you're seeing now is we're downloading the rocku.txt password list. And the reason why we're doing this is it will be used to crack the victim's passwords. The URL decoder at the beginning is used because Google's URLs are not usable by the wget command line tool. A brute force attack, if you don't know, is a brute force attack is a hacking method that uses trial and error to crack passwords, login credentials, and encryption keys. It is simple yet reliable tactic for gaining unauthorized access to individual accounts and organization systems and networks. So you'll be surprised that this kind of attack is more successful than you think. And there have been some attacks that were affected by brute force attacks. Are you ready? Dunkin Donuts in 2015. We have a company called Alibaba in 2016. We have Magento in 2018. We have Northern Irish Parliament in 2018. We have the Canadian Revenue Agency in 2020. So there has been some juggernauts of companies that have been affected by brute force attack. And I can't believe y'all did Dunkin Donuts like that. I love Dunkin. Hey, y'all better stop. Y'all better stop, okay? Okay, so we're now pinging the victim host and port scanning victim host. We're doing this to make sure that the victim is online and the victim's SSH port is open. So we are brute forcing the victim host SSH via Hydra tool. This is a tool that can be used to commit brute force attacks. So what you're seeing now is we are logging via SSH into victim's host, confirming user account and IP. And as can be seen, the SSH session is indeed from victim host. Okay, so now we are getting the victim's password, right? We're getting the victim's password and shadow file. And one of the popular brute force attack tools is John the Ripper. So the tool John the Ripper will be used to crack the Linux passwords of the victim. In order to do that, it needs a specific syntax that gets generated by the unshadow tool. So not only is it John the Ripper, if you are curious and wanted to know some other brute force attack softwares, we have GoBuster, we have BruteX, we have DIR search, so Dear Search, we have Callow, we have SSB, we have THC Hydra, Burp Suite, Patator, P-A-T-A-T-O-R, Patator. I didn't make the name, folks. I didn't make the name. This is how they got Dunkin Donuts. This is how they got Dunkin Donuts. This is how they got the Canadian Revenue Company. This attack right here. Could you imagine? Don't you still know Dunkin Donuts for me anymore, okay? You leave Dunkin Donuts alone. So as you see, it has been executed perfectly. That is a brute force attack. And don't you flip your wig, because in the coming days, I'll show you how to recover from a brute force attack. That was the brute force attack. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button right below the video and subscribe by clicking the big red button right below the video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then you will probably enjoy these videos that's on the screen right now. So if you click on the screen right now, you can watch those. Do you have a cyber attack you want me to cover? Write it in the comment section below. Also, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when I upload new videos. Lastly, please feel free to watch other videos on this channel. Wait. You don't know where to subscribe? Click my face. I'm smiling at you. I'm wearing a dark shirt. Dark blue shirt. Click on that face. I'm smiling. Stay safe, Hack Pack. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.